Hey everyone, so when I was at Salon Centric back in, I want to say October, I had realized that one of their brands, BTZ, Beyond the Zone, was selling these really interesting hair masks. I was actually caught by the really cool pumpkin shape, so they really had a good eye-catching design, and this was their brand new smoothing hair mask, which has pumpkin extract and honey. It is sulfate-free, paraben-free, and cruelty-free. However, it is not vegan because it contains honey, and I found that out after the fact. So what this product is it's a deep conditioner. So after you shampoo your hair, when your hair is damp, you're gonna towel dry it, get all that moisture out, put this product in and leave it in for 1 to 2 minutes. I tried it twice and I actually left it in longer. I find that your hair will be more conditioned, especially if it's colored, if you leave it in a little bit longer, so like 10, 15 minutes. But anyhow, this is gonna be a really quick review because I actually was impressed with the product, but there is one drawback. So starting off, I just wanna say that I'm gonna give this product a 4 out of 5. I'm taking 1 point off because there should be something on here for colored hair, because you only get these little two product attributes, and that's that it's got pumpkin extract, and that basically contains antioxidants. That is gonna leave the hair soft and polished. And the honey is what restores the frizz and helps your hair get moisturized. I'm not arguing with that because after using this product, it's easier to get your fingers through your hair. It looks healthier after and it's softer, very easy to style. What I will say, the one major drawback when using this product, it strips hair color like you would not believe. So, you know, this is not just redheads, this is any single color, whether it be you're dyeing your hair black, brown, blonde, or any of the fun fashion shades. After shampooing with color safe shampoo, which you still get a little bit of runoff, I had put this product on and I left it in and it was the same when I left it in 2 minutes versus the 10 minutes. The minute I went to go rinse this out, I rinsed out so much color. It was crazy. It was like I was rinsing my hair as if I had just colored it that day. Red, 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 it all was just running out. And so this product, while it does condition your hair, it's gonna take a lot of your color out, which is not a good thing. Although if you are looking to maybe get your hair a little bit lighter so you can use a color remover or something, this is a good product. However, I would not recommend using this if you are recently coloring your hair or you need to go to an important event because it will fade your color. And you can see, because I had a demi in, you can now clearly see the roots and this is all faded out. So, I mean, it's not bad, but it's not good. So I would use this again. However, I would probably use this product when you are closer to having to do a touch-up or a recolor, because if you use this right after you color your hair, you're gonna undo all that color you just did. Another thing is that it smells very aromatic. It smells like autumn. You get a nice whiff of pumpkin spice. They have pumpkin spice everything for that fall season. The other thing is that the texture of it, I don't know if I had a bad one, but it was kind of like grainy, but it ranges from being smooth to grainy. So it's definitely a fun texture. You can also put your hair in a cap or something if you have really long hair. So 4 out of 5, Beyond the Zone, smooth enough. Pumpkin spice hair treatment, very, very nice, very good. Great for natural hair and naturally frizzy hair, not so good for colored hair. So, let me know if you guys have tried the Smooth Engulf down below. I want to know how you guys liked it. If you tried it, like, comment, hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll be on with more reviews for you guys.